Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to pay for rent without using a bank transfer. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that, for example, you want to pay for rent without having to deal with any hidden fees or charges. And so that is the reason why I've been using this app called Cash App. It's this green and white icon over here. And if you haven't signed up for Cash App just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. And once you do, we'll both instantly get $5 deposited into our account. So with Cash App though, it makes it super convenient to actually go ahead and pay for rent. You would just simply log on to here, and let's say that we're paying around $650 a month for rent. So you would type in $650 and then click on pay. And then here is where you would find your landlord's name, phone, or email. So notice how whenever I type into here, the directory changes. So just simply find the cash tag and name that matches their account. So your landlord would also need Cash App as well, but you can just mention to them, like, if you use Cash App, there's no hidden fees, there's no hidden charges. The money's pretty instantaneous as well. But with Cash App though, on the upper right hand side, if you click on your profile icon, underneath account and settings, you're going to see this button called linked banks. So with linked banks, you can link your checkings account, you can link your debit card, you can link your credit card, and you could use those payment methods to actually fund your payments through Cash App. So Cash App, I've been using it for well over a couple of years now. I've had no problems with it whatsoever. Me and my landlord and I both love absolutely using it. And on the bottom right hand side, if you click on the clock icon, you'll be able to actually see all your transactions here as well. So with Cash App, you can download statement forms, you can download tax forms, you can download stocks, savings, cryptocurrency forms. All of that is housed within Cash App, making it such a reliable and good app, especially because of its ease of use as well. So if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually go ahead and pay for rent, let me know in the comments down below. And again, if you haven't signed up for Cash App just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. And once you do, we'll both instantly get $5. But thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.